Have you ever wondered how technology will change education? Education is evolving rapidly. With AI, like ChatGPT, classrooms are transforming. This raises an important question: will AI replace teachers? AI is already in schools. Students use ChatGPT for homework help and language practice. Teachers use AI to grade assignments and track progress. Personalized platforms adjust lessons for each student. Imagine a tutor available anytime, day or night. That's the power of AI in education. The benefits of AI are clear. It makes learning more accessible and equitable. A child in a remote village can learn from the same resources as a city student. Learners with challenges get tailored support from AI. AI also reduces teachers' administrative workload, freeing time for teaching. Teachers can focus on inspiring students instead of paperwork. But can AI replace teachers entirely? The answer is complex. AI can deliver knowledge efficiently, but it lacks empathy. A machine explains math well but can't comfort an anxious student. AI cannot inspire curiosity or passion that a dedicated teacher brings. Education is about more than information, it requires mentorship and human connection. AI cannot replicate these essential qualities. The future lies not in an AI versus teachers battle. It's about collaboration. Imagine classrooms where AI manages routine tasks and analyzes learning gaps. Meanwhile, teachers can nurture creativity, emotional support, and critical thinking. The partnership between humans and AI can create a more engaging and compassionate education system. So, will AI replace teachers? No, it will reshape their roles. Rather than being the sole knowledge source, teachers will guide and mentor. In this new landscape, AI acts as a helpful assistant. What do you think about AI in education? Should we embrace or fear these changes? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech exploration updates.